choy green and bright. Tear the leaves, don't use a knife. Salt and soak 10 minutes slow. Let the grit go, keep the crunch, you know. Tofu firm, rinse off the oil so it drinks the broth, not spoil. Carrots thin, garlic sliced fine. Pork goes into crisp and shine. Oh, the clay pot sings when winter's near, with bok choy crisp and noodles clear. Tofu soaks the pork's sweet grace, and cabbage tastes like love's embrace. 3 minutes steam, the flavors blend. A meal that costs just pennies, friend. But oh, the taste, it's golden light, warmer than the longest night. Glass noodles, soft and warm bath. Never boil, just gentle path. Or the pot just barely trace, so noodles won't stick out of place. Stir the pork till edges brown. Garlic whispers, don't burn down. Toss the greens just barely done. Keep the crunch beneath the sun. Soy and oyster, pinch of sweet. Pour it all into the heat. Add hot water, cover tight. Let the clay pot sing all night. The world chases steak, loud and grand. But you hold a quiet land, where cabbage shines and noodles cling. And love is cheap, yet everything. Oh, the clay pot sings, it's how you care. In every leaf, in every layer. No waste, no fuss, just truth and time. This humble pot makes broken things shine. Kids scoop rice, grandma smiles wide. Who knew greens could taste like pride? Your kitchen's not just where you cook, it's where the world finds rest and hope and look. Oh, the clay pot sings, it's how you can. At every leaf, in every layer. No waste, no fuss, just truth and time. This humble pot makes broken things shine. Kids scoop rice, grandma smiles wide. Who knew greens could taste like pride? Your kitchen's not just where you cook, it's where the world finds rest and hope and look.
摆下2颗撕成小花刀，且不如手撕有韵味，盐水泡透，洗得干净该贴做香才算脆嫩。豆腐干片洗去，富有入味，菜脯大花溜走胡萝，螺片薄薄切好甜味，藏在每一丝缝。夏瓜古董爱在冒泡，白菜比肉香，你信不信？粉丝细致豆腐干咸3块钱就出满5黄金，肉片微炸酸香不苦，盐糖酱油刚刚好馥甜，冷味做一锅暖心，这味道是家最深的根。粉丝温烫，别用滚水蒸成小段，铺地放年生。刷油薄薄一层，多了饭你要刚刚好煎，肉片顺香大火快炒白菜段，生爆溜嘴敲碎苗，最后焖3分钟，香气口发别开改造。你说这菜平凡大小，可谁懂那手撕白菜的酒？但真的香，不靠农药，就在沙漠慢慢孤独。 出租屋的狭小厨房，阳光斜斜切进来，2颗白菜是超市里最温柔的慷慨，舍不得用刀指尖撕开，层层柔软裂痕里藏着故乡菜园的风干与白霜，盐水漫过野马，跑走时间的灰尘，冲洗时的盖接声唤醒童年的清晨，豆腐干薄片轻轻抹去表面浮油，记得母亲说这样才肯吸饱汤汁的温柔，胡萝卜去皮到北京拍在切片，甜味要渗透每一道纤维相加的牵挂绵延，粉丝用凉水温泡煎成刚好入口的长度，砂锅底刷一层柏油放粘液锁住香气不迷路，瘦肉切片用料酒淡去腥味，大火快炒至微焦成片爆出金黄的香气，下白菜翻炒至断生保留脆嫩的嚼劲，加上抽屉馅少许白糖中和鲜味，倒入开水刚刚没过时菜就好，铺上豆腐干与胡萝卜盖盖满等不及走，砂锅在炉火上咕嘟冒泡生长鸡五角整齐模糊窗玻璃像故乡冬天的晨雾缭绕，粉丝悄悄吸饱浓汤膨胀成温暖的模样，豆腐干浸满鲜味每一口都裹着思念的重量，最后撒上蒜苗断焖3分钟的坚持，香气冲破锅盖瞬间淹没所有孤独，这菜平凡的登不上宴席的餐桌，却藏着异乡人最奢侈的温暖与寄托，没有山珍海味却胜过万千滋味，3块钱的食材煮出满屋的人间烟火，别人追寻肉香的浓烈，我偏爱白菜的清澈，正如家的温暖从来都在细水长流的时刻，香味孤独是乡愁沸腾的样子，在快节奏的城市里慢慢熬煮时光的诗，锅底的热气烫暖冻僵的双手，汤汁的温度一瓶奔波的皱褶，这一口热菜比拥抱更贴近心窝，比千言万语更能抚慰深夜的寂寞，出租屋的灯光下独自围坐山窝旁，香气缠绕鼻尖仿佛母亲就在身旁，原来最动人的味道从来不依赖华丽的包装，只需要一份耐心与对家的执念不忘，香过冷却后的余温还在指尖停留着，味道是故乡的印记，是心灵的港湾，无论走多远都能牵着我找到回家的搜索，这唱着异乡人最奢侈的温暖与寄托。